Welcome to Beauty Wellness Hair Care. Our client is receiving an amazing hair color transformation today, but first we need to remove the level 8 toner from her hair. Modern technology has moved all product categories forward, and that includes the professional beauty products industry. And they have these amazing color removers that can go in and identify the artificial dye molecules and eliminate them without affecting the natural hair color level. I only needed to mix this color remover with water, and I applied it to the roots so I can break the base because we're going in with a bleach root touch-up. The toner has been removed and the new growth base is broken. As always, we've sectioned for control to make sure we get an even application. This is the second pass of applying the bleach to the new growth. On the first pass, we started applying 1/8 of an inch away from the scalp. Now we're applying the bleach directly to the scalp. This client is a natural hair color level 1. Each individual hair strand is fine and her density is medium. We went into the cortex layer and we eliminated the natural pigments in the new growth hair, making sure that we did not overlap the bleach product. After applying the base color to the perimeter, I dropped some foils in the fringe area for added hair color dimension. This is the completed hair color, still wet. Although direct dyes come pre-mixed, I like to add a little goodness to the mix. So we included some collagen as well as some bond builders to the direct hair color formula. Wet hair always appears 2 to 3 levels darker than it actually is. And this is her hair dried. No foam, no gel, no mousse, no silicones, no sulfates. Her hair is beautiful. We added all that goodness to the direct dye hair color formula to give her hair this incredible body and shine. You know, there are so many textured clients out there who have an understanding of hair care that dates back to the 19th century. There are folks out there still shampooing with detergents. They're using pressing combs. They're using waxes. It's crazy. And it's unnecessary in the 21st century. They have modern products that can actually go in and identify the artificial dye molecules in your hair and just eliminate those without affecting anything else in the hair cortex. That is modern hair care. But back to our amazing hair color transformation. We used 3 hair colors. We used silver, we used a lavender, and we used a peacock blue. We outlined the perimeter. We laid some foils on a diagonal in the crown and fringe area, and this is the amazingly beautiful blended results. I have to reiterate, no foam, no mousse, no gel, no silicones, no sulfates. We finished this hair color transformation by dropping a little keratin on top and wrapping her, then drying her under an Ionic hood hair dryer. I added a Nourishing Lipid Serum to polish and prevent frizz. What do you think? How do you like the new hair color transformation? It looks different in different lighting environments. It looked one color when we were in the salon. Then we went outside on the roof deck. The sun wasn't shining, but it was bright. And now we're out in daylight. It's a little overcast, and you can see all of the colors, the silver, the lavender, the peacock blue, all blending together and framing the perimeter. I love her hair color. What do you think?